Hi guys, today I'm going to be going over questions 1 through 5 of the 2018 AMC8s. Timestamps to each individual question will be provided in the description. Question 1 states, an amusement park has a collection of scale models with ratio 1:20 of buildings and other sites from around the country. The height of the United States Capitol is 289 feet. What is the height in feet of its replica to the nearest whole number? Okay, so we can set up an equation here. So the collection of scale models has a ratio of 1:20, so 1/20. And let's say that the replica height is represented by the variable r. So then 1/20 would be equal to r over 289 feet. So we can just solve this equation for r. 289 equals 20r, and 289 over 20 equals r. So let's divide, and we get approximately 14 for r. That would be A. Question 2 asks us what the value of this product is. So let's write out some of the terms and see if we can find a pattern there. So this first one would equal 2/1. The second term would equal 3/2. The third term would equal 4/3. The fourth term would equal 5/4. The fifth term would equal 6/5. And the seventh term would equal the sixth term would equal 7/6. Okay, now we can see that this numerator and this denominator cancel out. This numerator and this denominator cancel out. And that keeps on going. And we're just left with 7 being the value of the product. So D. Question 3 states, students Arn, Bob, Sid, Dan, Eve, and Fawn are arranged in that order in a circle. They start counting, Arn first, then Bob, and so forth. When the number contains 7 as a digit, or is a multiple of 7, that person leaves the circle and the counting continues. Who is the last one present in the circle? Okay. Let's just count this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So the last one present is Eve. Question 4 states, the 12-sided figure below has been drawn on 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter graph paper. What is the area of this figure in centimeters squared? Okay, so let's count up all the little triangles and the little squares. So one of these is 1 centimeter squared, or the area is 1 centimeter squared. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those. And then each of these triangles is 1/2 because it's half of one of these squares. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 1/2. So that equals 9 plus 4, and that equals 13. So the area of the figure is C, 13. Question 5 states, what is the value of this entire sum? Well, to find that, just think about this a little bit differently. What if you paired up terms, paired up the positive and the negative terms? So then, each paired up term would have a sum of -1, and that would keep on happening all the way up to 2017 paired up with minus 2018, and then this 2019 is just on its own. So let's count up how many pairs there are. How many are there? Well, there would be one pair for this number, 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 and one pair for this number. All of those numbers. So let's divide 2018 by 2, because 2018 divided by 2 is its position, or the number of pairs, if that makes sense. So that would be 1009. So there are 1,009 pairs. So that would be negative 1009. And then you add positive 2019 to that, so plus 2019. So the sum would be 1010, and that would be E. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for the rest of the 2018 AMC 8.